problem. 2231. Largest number after digit swaps after parity. Yeah, so we are giving a number, so we can swap the odd numbers and we can also swap the even numbers. So for example, 1 and 3, we can swap 1 and 3, and we're gonna keep the positions, so it's gonna be 3 and 1. And 2 and 4, we can also swap it, it's gonna be 4 and 2. Yeah, so for this problem, normally our idea is just to take out the even numbers and take out the odd numbers, and we also need to take out the index, and then we're gonna sort some index and put the numbers together, but that will be a lot of code. But for this one, I think the simplest one would be the select sort. Yeah, normally we will not do such a select sort in Leetcode problems. But for this one, it's really good to use the select sort to solve the problems. Others like just sorting and find the index and put them together, it will not be a good solution. So now let me try to use the select sort to solve the problem. So I'm gonna have a list. So it is an array in Python. So it's gonna be I'm gonna take out the numbers, just take out each one of the numbers because I'm gonna use the select sort to sort it. So this select sort is actually in place. So finally, I just needed to return the number, but this list is just in place. So I'm gonna take the numbers. So integer I for I in string num. Now I have a list of numbers. I'm gonna record the length of the array. Now I can loop through it by using the select sort. So for I in range n-1, and for z in range I plus 1 to n. So the idea of select sort is an O(n) square time complexity. Basically, we're gonna find the first place, so the I will be 0. And then after 0, we're gonna use this z to compare with this number. So if it is bigger than this number, we're gonna replace it. Yeah, because we're gonna we need to sort the numbers like 3 and 1 just in decreasing order. 4 and 2 also in decreasing order. Yeah. Now we need to have a tag. So here, when it comes to both even number or both odd numbers, we can use a math formula. So this is also really good to solve such problem. It's gonna be if Li minus Lg and modular 2 equal to 0 and Li less than Lg. Yeah, so this means we're gonna compare the numbers. So these two numbers, Li and Lg, would always be odd numbers or even numbers, because if it is always odd or even, Li minus Lg must be an even number, and modular 2 it must be 0. Yeah, but we need to use the parentheses for this Li minus Lg. Otherwise, you will produce a bug. Yeah, if you don't use the parentheses, so it will be Lg modular 2, Li minus Lg modular by 2. Yeah. So the connectivity would be different. We have to use the parentheses. Yeah, if everything's okay, so we're gonna just need to swap the two numbers. So Li and Lg should be swapped with Lg to Li. Finally, we just need to put them together. So it would be integer and empty string. We need to join the array. It would be string I for I in the list. Yeah. So for I in the list, it would be just numbers, and while it becomes a string, so it's gonna be string. So we can use empty.joy. It's gonna be the string like 3412, and then we're gonna convert it to integer. Yeah. So this is basically the entire code. Yeah. Now let me run it to check if it works. As you can see, it works. For the time complexity, because there are 2 for loops, and it will be O(n) square. Now let me submit it to check. As you can see, it works. Thank you for watching. See you next time.